Alright, so it has been quite some time since I last made a video on this channel. And, I completely grew out of video games and I kind of just stopped uploading. But I think it's finally time to, make a change and actually start doing stuff for this channel, because this has just been sitting here. So what I'm going to be doing is recording me fixing cars, but in a cinematic way. So I hope y'all enjoy that and whatnot. That's my little plan I got going. But we already got a car in the garage, in the house. Got it off Copart for $1,550. And this car that I have right here that I will be fixing with you guys today is the BMW E60 535 Xi. Alright, enough of this goofy edit, bro. I didn't really spend the time to record and get some good angles, and I didn't have a tripod at the time. Mine broke. But let me tell you what's going on with the car at the moment. So I just got it from Copart. I already did a little work to it because I didn't decide to whip my camera out till later. But it wouldn't turn on, nothing, no power, couldn't read the codes, nothing. So what I had to do was kind of push it in with my Volvo using like a bunch of rubber mats so I don't damage the bumper onto my driveway. And we got it there, and then I was finally able to put in some jumper cables to my Volvo, or from my Volvo to the Beamer, and I got power. And then I tried to start it. I heard a little click, 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 you know what I'm saying? And I was like, alright, let's get a starter. Let's start from there. As you can see here, what I'm doing now is putting in that new starter. Now at the time, I don't really know if I was making progress or not, but I guess it's for both of us to find out in this video. Alright, so I ran into a little bit of an issue where my hood wasn't holding itself up, and I kind of got tired of propping it up with like a stick. So I decided to get some new hood struts or hood supports, whatever you may call them, same thing. But I popped those on, so the hood wouldn't potentially crush my dome in the near future if the stick decides to fail. But yeah, I popped these on, and I did get the new starter in, kind of reassemble the car, and it didn't work. So what we're gonna go from there is I guess check a ground, because I did some research on it. It said that an engine to ground cable might be bad. So we're about to get underneath the car and stuff and look at that and see what's going on, get some information. Alright, so apparently I lost the camera footage I got of me underneath the car and ripping out the old ground wire. But basically what was wrong with it was pretty badly rusted. I literally tugged on it and it just came off. And probably for the better, because I can't fit my hand anywhere in there to unbolt the connection. So it was better to rip it off and leave it like that. I did get a new ground wire, and I mounted it from the transmission bell housing to the frame of the car, as you can see in this little clip right here. Okay, so real quick, don't ever do what I did here. It was very stupid of me, just leaving the intake wide open like this, but thankfully the car didn't start because it could have messed up something, or I don't know, man. But that fix didn't work. But the starter does engage with the flywheel now, which is a good sign because it didn't before. So that's good. We are getting somewhere. But still, there's no start, for the car. So what I decided to do was get the battery tested. I went and got the battery tested, and the battery read 14.4 volts, or I don't remember if it was 12 or 14. Well, it read good, okay. And I went and got it tested, but apparently its cold crank amps or like it had some dead cells or some shit. I don't know. I just needed a new battery, so I ended up getting a new battery. I slapped that battery in, and honestly, like, I could really cross my fingers, because if it's not this, I was pretty concerned with what it could possibly be, But let's just cross our fingers and, you know, pray.
All the way to the left and turn it all the way to the right, you know, turn it off.
Okay. Moment of truth.
It's gonna start, watch.
Okay. I'm recording with my cam. Let's see. Oh, we have lights inside. We got power in the fucking cabin, bro.
Come on, run it.
Wait, I'm looking for my keys.
I'm trying to hear it.
Okay, let's see. All right. Key in.
Alright.
Oh! Yo, we got it. Yo, we got it. Oh! Holy shit. Oh my god. Bro, I told you, bro. Don't underestimate me, bro. I'm telling you, bro. Holy shit. There's no miss. Bro, holy shit. Oh, the turbos sound so nice, bro.
Victory. This is my first car that I bought to work on, and I took a gamble on it from Copart. I won it for $1,550, $1,550, and it didn't, you know, turn on nothing, and we got it running, and it runs beautifully now. I did some, you know, things to it, did some restoration, like a headlight restoration, some stuff like that, cleaning it, and she stands pretty in my driveway. I finally got the car insured, so I'm gonna take it to get it registered soon, so we can, you know, drive it around and have some fun with it, because I've wanted a Beamer for quite some time now, and having, you know, an N54 at my disposal is beautiful, you know, and I'm really glad that I was able to do this. I couldn't before, and I learned a lot, you know, working on cars and stuff, and I'm really glad I got, you know, this far. But I'm now in the market to you know, I'm looking for another car from, you know, Copart or whatever, something that needs fixing that I can do. And I'm also getting new tools. I'm getting an air compressor for the garage. I've been cleaning up the garage and stuff, getting it nice. And I'm gonna, you know, do some stuff. I'm gonna teach myself how to paint as well. I'm doing some research on that before I buy all the tools for it, but air compressor is gonna come first, and we'll only go from there. But yeah, this has been pretty fun. I will definitely improve my videography skills. I am pretty good, I guess. I didn't have a tripod at the time, and I wasn't planning on recording, but I decided to anyways, and it turned out alright. But obviously we can always do better. So this was pretty fun. I kind of hope y'all enjoy this, you know, and yeah, y'all take it easy, you know. Here's some clips I have of me driving the car on my phone, completely legal, maybe. But yeah, I'll catch you on the flip side, for real. Take it easy.